Hello everyone. Just think for a while. Like children are born with special abilities. Yes, like the genes, their genes are getting changed with the superior genes, like athletic genes or intelligent genes. Then how the world will be? You might think that okay, this is quite fascinating, but there are a lot of things behind it. And today we are going to talk about the genetic modified babies. Yeah. So we are going to talk about actually a scientist, a Chinese scientist who has made genetic gene edited babies and is in the controversy. So let's have a look on his profile. Like it is a like he is a Chinese scientist known for the genetic editing babies, and like now he is returned to his laboratory. Of course, he was detained actually. Like he was jailed for making the genetic babies because like it is quite banned. It is an international ban on making the gene edited babies. So we'll be seeing this thing that why it is banned and what the reason behind it. So you can see here okay, so first thing is that why he is resuming the research on the genetic disease, like the person, the scientist, okay, is concentrating on the genetic disease like Alzheimer. Alzheimer is quite, you can say Alzheimer is quite tedious. You can say, no, the people actually forget their own persons. Just think so, like, it is quite important to address this issue. Then, he is actually using the discarded human embryos, as he is saying. So we don't know about the China, like what they does. Okay, so compliance with rules. Uh, of course, he is complying with the rules as he is saying. Okay, now let's see all these things. Past ethical dilemmas. You can see his work was quite controversial because it is not permitted. But yeah, like there are ethical concerns. That's why internationally it is banned. Now, let's have a look on the current situation. Like, okay, I want to you can see here the ethical implications, the manipulating genetic makeup for the specific desired traits. Like just think that a baby is born with enhanced intelligence or athleticism, like a person is more athletic or a sports person or a more fair. So every like gene are basic, you can say a basic structure. It is something that build us that build us. So if it will be changed and it will be improved, then there will be a lot of disparity, and more people will be running behind this thing. Okay, so what this scientist said, like this scientist said as a different perspective. He's saying that okay, it is completely okay to make it the society is not understanding this thing and blah blah all these things. So we are actually seeing the problems. So like issues of the consent, equity, and widening disparity. Just think that someone is getting very good traits from the childhood. So it is making more it is widening the disparity. That is the main thing, and it will actually uh, give a long term effect on the individuals and society on all these things. Okay, but yeah, actually, the scientist believes that human will actually accept this thing and make this it will be regular, something like this thing. But it is quite debatable. Just think about this thing. So, what is your perception about this thing? What do you think? It should be okay to edit the genes, or it should not be okay. Okay, there are one benefit also. Like we can actually treat the disease, but or that, like in the, like in the shadow of like treating the disease, they are making the more enhanced human beings. So maybe how we can control that, it's tough. So like what do you think about this thing? Please write in the comments, and okay, please write in the comments. And I hope you like this video. If you have any opinion, please write it down. And thank you so much for watching this video.